Amazon DynamoDB is a fully managed NoSQL database with single-digit millisecond performance at any scale. Hi guys, this is Abi from GokchaDB, and in this video, you're going to learn 8 things about Amazon DynamoDB in AWS. Let's get into it. Number 1, DynamoDB supports both key value and document data models. This allows DynamoDB to have a flexible schema, so each row can have any number of columns at any point in time. Number 2, using DynamoDB Accelerator, you can improve the read performance of your DynamoDB tables by up to 10 times. This makes the time required for reads from milliseconds to microseconds, even at millions of requests per second. Number 3, DynamoDB global tables replicate your data automatically across AWS regions and automatically scale capacity to accommodate your workloads. Number 4, Amazon Kinesis data streams for DynamoDB captures item-level changes in your DynamoDB tables as a Kinesis data stream. This allows you to build advanced streaming applications such as real-time log aggregation, business analytics, and IoT data capture. Number 5, DynamoDB provides 2 capacity modes for each table: on-demand mode when your workloads are less predictable, and provision mode when you're confident you'll have decent utilization of the specified provision capacity. Number 6, DynamoDB integrates with AWS Lambda to provide triggers. This allows you to automatically run a custom function when item-level changes in a table are detected. Number 7, you can import data directly from Amazon S3 into a new DynamoDB table without writing any code or managing additional infrastructure. Last but not the least, number 8. As of this recording, you get 25 gigs of free storage and up to 200 million read-write requests per month with the AWS free tier. In summary, Amazon DynamoDB is a fast, non-relational database designed to run high-performance applications at any scale. There you have it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.